Hello students, welcome to Siddhapur Mathematics Academy. So already you are familiar, in the previous classes we discussed about the weightage of the marks and expected questions in according to chapter wise. In the today's class I will discuss about the continuity and differentiability. The total weightage of this marks is 22 marks. From continuity we have only one question that comes in part E, either 49B or 50B for 4 marks, and the remaining questions are from differentiation. See, in part A, question number 5, this is for 1 mark, only one question we have. In part B, question number 14, 15, 16, that means we have 3 questions. Each question carries 2 marks, total 6 marks. Part C, at question number 27 and 28, 3 marks each, total marks is 6. And in part D, question number 42, this is a 5 mark question. So now I will give you the expected questions in this chapter. First I will give the expected questions, 1 mark expected questions. One mark questions. See, it comes at question number 5. In the annual paper it comes at question number 5. If y is equal to tan root x, find dy upon dx. Next, if y is equal to cos root x, find dy upon dx. Third one, if y is equal to log of sin x, find dy upon dx. Next, fourth one, if y is equal to cos of 1 minus x, find dy upon dx. Fifth one, find dy upon dx if y is equal to sin of x square plus 5. Sixth one, if y is equal to 1 by 2 log a raised to 1 by 2 log cos x to the base a. Here I will explain some hint how to write. So don't feel it is a complicated. This power goes there, applying the properties of log. Log m raised to n is n into log m. Applying this, it is a raised to log cos x raised to half to the base a. If these two base are same, we are getting cos x raised to half. Cos x raised to half is nothing but root cos x. That means indirectly it is given that y is equal to root cos x, you have to find dy upon dx. Next, question number 7. If y is equal to tan of 2x plus 3, find dy upon dx. Eighth question. If y is equal to sin of x square, find dy upon dx. Ninth one. If y is equal to e raised to x cube, find dy upon dx. Tenth one. If y is equal to sin ax plus b, find dy upon dx. 11th one, if y is equal to cos inverse of e raised to x, find dy upon dx. 12th one, if y is equal to 2x plus 1 whole cube, find dy upon dx. 13th, if y is equal to sin of cos x square, Find dy upon dx. Moving to the next questions. That is question number 14. Y is equal to sine of x square. It is over already. 8th question. Y is equal to tan of 2x plus 3. That is also over. Cos of sin x. Find dy upon dx. 15th one. Y is equal to sec of tan root x. Find dy upon dx. Next, y is equal to cos inverse of sin x. Find dy upon dx. Y is equal to e raised to cos x. Find dy upon dx. Next, y is equal to 3x square minus 9x plus 5 raised to 9. Find dy upon dx. 19th one. Y is equal to log of log x. Find dy upon dx. Next, y is equal to sine of log x. Find dy upon dx. See, these are the simple questions you are getting for 1 mark. Expected questions in the annual paper at question number 5. Now I am moving to the next, that is the question number 2 in part B. We have a 3 expected questions for 2 marks each. For 2 marks each. In part B. Two marks questions at question number 15, 16 and 17. Sorry, 14, 15 and 16. 14, 15 and 16 expected questions. We have a 3 questions and each question carries 2 marks. Find dy upon dx if ax plus by square is equal to cos y. Second one. Differentiate cos inverse of sin x with respect to x. See, the same question I wrote in the 1 mark also. It depends on the paper setter. Next, if y is equal to x raised to sin x, x greater than 0, find dy upon dx. Fourth one, if y is equal to cos of log x plus e raised to x, find dy upon dx. See, all are from NCERT only. They are not giving any other questions. If sin square x plus cos square y is equal to 1, find dy upon dx. Sixth one. If x cube plus log x, if y is equal to x cube plus tan x, find d square y upon dx square. They are asking the double derivative. Next. Seventh one. If y plus sin y is equal to cos x, find dy upon dx. Moving to the next question, that is question number 8. If y is equal to x raised to x Find dy upon dx. If root x plus root y is equal to root 10, show that, st means show that dy upon dx plus root of y by x is equal to 0. 10th one. Find dy upon dx if y is equal to log x raised to cos x. Next, differentiate x plus 1 by x raised to x with respect to x. Next, 12th one. Find dy upon dx if x square plus xy plus y square is equal to 100. 13th. Find dy upon dx if y is equal to log of log x to the base 7. Next question. Question number 14. Find dy upon dx if y is equal to sec inverse of 1 upon 2x square minus 1 if x is lying between 0 to 1 by root 2. Next, 15th one. If x raised to y is equal to a raised to x, prove that dy upon dx is equal to x log a to the base e minus y divided by x log x to the base e. Sixteenth question. If y is equal to cos inverse of 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square, where x is lying between 0 to 1, find dy upon dx. 17th. If y is equal to x raised to sin x, x greater than 0, find dy upon dx. Next, differentiate sin x raised to x with respect to x. And remember, these questions are for what? They are for 2 marks. 19th one. Find dy upon dx if 2x plus 3y is equal to sin y. Next, twentieth question. If y is equal to sin x raised to cos x, find dy upon dx. So these are the expected questions in part B for question number 14, 15 and 16. Next I am giving you part C questions, that is for 3 marks each. 2 questions we have. 2 expected questions we have. In part C, 3 marks each. Question number 2 questions, question number 27 and 28. First question. If x is equal to 2a into t square, y is equal to a into t raised to 4, find dy upon dx. Second one. Find dy upon dx if x raised to y is equal to y raised to x. Next, find dy upon dx if x is equal to a, theta plus sin theta, y is equal to a in the bracket 1 minus cos theta. I think by seeing the questions, the students came to know they are from which exercise. Some questions are related with logarithmic, some are related with parametric equations. Next, if x into root 1 plus y into root 1 plus x is equal to 0, for x is lying between minus 1 to plus 1 and x is not equal to y, prove that. See, this is a miscellany question. Dy upon dx is equal to minus 1 upon 1 plus x whole square. Next, fifth one. If x is equal to a in the bracket theta plus sin theta, the same question they are asking in different way. Y is equal to a in the bracket 1 minus cos theta. Here they are asking just find dy upon dx. But here it is, then prove that. Actually here also we have to write the simplified answer. Dy upon dx is equal to tan theta by 2. So students ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ simplified ಬರೀಲೇಬೇಕೇನ್ರಿ ಅಂತ. Yes, because ನಿಮಗೆ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ತಾವ, ಬರೆಯೋದೇನು ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದು 2 ಲೈನ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ. Question number 6. If x is equal to a, theta minus sin theta, y is equal to a, 1 plus cos theta, then prove that dy upon dx is equal to minus cot theta by 2. Next, if x is equal to sin t, y is equal to cos 2t, then prove that dy upon dx is equal to minus 4 sin t. Again parametric equations, either parametric or logarithmic, sometimes implicit. 8. Find dy upon dx if x is equal to a in the bracket cos t plus log of tan t by 2 and y is equal to a sin t. 9th one. Differentiate sin square x with respect to e raised to cos x. These type questions also we solved and I discussed in the previous videos. ನಾನು ಹಿಂದಿನ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ನಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಮ್ಸು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನಾಗ ಮಾಡೇನು ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಇಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎ ಕಾಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ತೀಟಾ, y is equal to a sin cube theta, prove that dy upon dx is equal to minus cube root of y by x. 11th one. If x is equal to a raised to sin inverse t, y is equal to a raised to cos inverse t, prove that dy upon dx is equal to minus y upon x. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಮ್ಸನ್ನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡೇನಿ, ಇದು ಬಿಟ್ಟೇನಿ ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ನಾನು ಕೊಟ್ಟೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ವಿತ್ 1 mark, 2 mark and 3 mark. In the next class, I will give you the questions related with 5 mark and 4 mark part E continuity question. See, now I am giving you next part ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಇದೇ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. Next for part D, 5 mark question, question number 42. Question number 42 in part D. Part D, 5-mark question. It is at question number 42. Yes, first question. If y is equal to tan inverse x whole square, then show that or prove that 1 plus x square whole square y2 plus 2x into 1 plus x square into y1 is equal to 2. Next, if y is equal to e raised to a cos inverse x, where x is lying between -1 to +1, then prove that 1 minus x square into y1 minus x y1 minus a square y is equal to 0. Third one. If y is equal to 3 into e raised to 2x plus 2 into e raised to 3x, then prove that d square y upon dx square minus 5 into dy upon dx plus 6y is equal to 0. Fourth question. If y is equal to 3 cos log x plus 4 sin log x, show that x square y2 plus x y1 plus y is equal to 0. They can change this number, but the sum will be as it is. Fifth one. If y is equal to a into e raised to mx plus b into e raised to nx, show that d square y upon dx square minus m plus n in the bracket into dy upon dx plus m n y is equal to 0. If you ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನು ಥರ್ಡ್ ಮತ್ತು ಫಿಫ್ತ್ನ ಥರೋ ಆಗಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಅ CET ಹಿಂಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 6. If y is equal to sin inverse x whole square, show that 1 minus x square into d square y upon dx square minus x into dy upon dx is equal to 2. Seventh one. If e raised to y in the bracket x plus 1 is equal to 1, prove that dy upon dx whole square is equal to d square y upon dx square. These are the 5 marks expected questions. Now I am moving to the part E, 4 marks question from continuity, expected questions. It depends on the students which one they are selecting, either 49 or 50. Question number 49 or question number 50. Depending on that choice, you have to answer either matrices or this question. Part E, 4 marks question. One question we have. Either you have to select 49 or 50. It depends on the student's interest. Find the values of A and B such that the function defined by f of x is equal to 5 if x is less than or equal to 2, ax plus b if x is lying between 2 and 10, 21 if x is greater than or equal to 10, is continuous function. is continuous function. Moving to the next question. Find the value of k. Find the value of k if f of x is equal to kx plus 1 if x is less than or equal to pi, and cos x if x is greater than pi, is a continuous function at x is equal to pi. Yes. Moving to the third question. By seeing the questions, you come to know which type of questions they will ask. Third question. Find the value of k if f of x is equal to k into cos x divided by pi minus 2x. If x is less not equal to pi by 2, and 3 if x is equal to pi by 2 is continuous at x is equal to pi by 2. Fourth question. Find the value of k so that the function f of x is equal to kx plus 1 3x minus 5 if x is less than or equal to 5 and if x is greater than 5 is continuous at x is equal to 5 is a continuous function. A continuous function. Yes. Moving to the next question, fifth one. Fifth question. Find the value of k if f of x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x divided by 1 minus cos x. If x is not equal to 0 and k if x is equal to 0 is continuous at x is equal to 0. Next. Moving to the next question, that is the sixth one. Find the values of k if f of x is equal to kx square if x is less than or equal to 2 and 3 if x is greater than 2 is continuous at x is equal to 2. Moving to the next question, that is the seventh one. For what value of lambda is the function defined by f of x is equal to lambda in the bracket x square minus 2x if x is less than or equal to 0 and 4x plus 1 if x greater than 0, continuous at x is equal to 0. Next, find the relationship between 8th question. Find the relationship between A and B so that the function f defined by f of x is equal to ax plus 1 if x is greater than or equal to 3 and bx plus 3 if x is greater than 3 is continuous at x is equal to 3. Yes, this is a expected questions from continuity and differentiability. And students, ನಾ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ನ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಇಷ್ಟು ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ಇಷ್ಟು ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕೋ ಬೇಡ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಇಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಔಟ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಥಿಯರಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್.